Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. Dishwashers have an upper dish rack that is mounted on a rail system. You might need to remove the rack to replace the spray arms, roller, or the rail. In this episode, I'll show you how. Thank you to Frigidaire for sponsoring this video. Let's begin. Keep in mind, there is some variation between models, and not all dishwashers will have the same parts. You can enter your model number on the Reliable Parts website. This will bring up a model breakdown with the exact replacement parts listed on the side. Removing the top rack is fairly simple. On the rails are end caps. Press down on the tabs to release the caps. Pull the rack forward until the rails are fully extended. Now remove the dish rack. Align the dish rack onto the rail and slide it forward. Now replace the end caps. These will snap into place. If your model has an extra set of wheels, then you can change the height of the upper rack. Depending on your preference, choose whether to align the rail with the upper or lower set of wheels. If you found this episode helpful, then subscribe to our channel. And when you need a replacement part, you can get it online or in one of our Reliable Parts locations. Thanks for watching.